Crikey, mate. I went outside and brought some weird crap. I don't know what it was. Don't judge me. So... Christ. Wait, no! You so freaking nothing. So, I went outside and got many items. The first one we're going to add to the thing in this potion is going to be the Water of Death. So, let's add it. Oh, I can already smell death. Christ almighty. Oh no. Wait. Oh god, I did it wrong. No. No. What? I need to check my plan. Jesus. Okay, so I just remembered. We did it all wrong. We needed to open the death. And add a little bit. Just enough. Where is it? That's the don't shoot! Now we close it up. Jeez. Now we add the leaf of branch. We only need to add really a little bit. Like yes, this. Oh Jesus. Now add more death. Water. Oh Christ. Now we add the fragile leaf of whiteness. It's cool because it's white. For all the black ones, I'm not racist. Oh god. Oh, now you need to add more death water. Oh. Now we need to add the stick of unknown. I got the giant bit, so it's prickly as hell. That's why I took its yeah. Oh god. Oh no. Can't get it off. I can't get it off. Damn it. Nope. You saw nothing. What was I doing again? Oh yes. This. So now I put this here. It's balanced. Yep. Nope. Yep. No. Okay. And now I cut this open. Cut this off. Like a freaking beast. God damn it. Why can I not do this? Thank you. Okay, we had this. And now it's left over. And now we take more of this. More dead water. And put it in here. Oh god, it's flaming at my face. Now I'm dead, blood. Oh good. Now we had the brick of a freaking tree. Oh no. Boom. Oh my god. More dead water. Tasty. Oh, okay. Now I need to add 10 Duder balls. Seed balls. Yep. So the 1, 2. Oh no. I did 2, 3. Oh god. For that I need to add a bit more than water. Now I need to add this. So that was 4. I need to add exactly 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One last one. Oh no. Okay, now we added more than water. And now for the finale. No. We add rotten sea balls. Last death water. Not last actually. Now we have a substance called Zerofone. I don't know what language that is, but 3, 2, 1. It floats. It's wet now, yeah! And now we have more dip water. We've made the potion. The plants. Yes, plants. Okay. Weird as hell. Weird. Green. No, it's not. I'm colorblind, but it's not green. That's not that for sure, I know. Why is it so... Why are there like dots of wetness everywhere? What is that? Dun, 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 dun. That's dirty. I'm eating germs. Eating? Yep. I'm trying to stab it, but I can't. Well, I can if I go from the side, but I can't do that. So it's not gonna... Not fake drinking test. Oh my... Okay, that's not my reaction. Styrofoam's always just like, hey, hey, hey. Smells weird as hell. Wood, yeah. Oh. What have I made? What is this? What am I gonna call this video? Stupid kid makes wood potion. Oh god, I literally feel bad now. You must not. Add more. I don't care anymore. Ultra. What have I done? What is the point of this video? Well, guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to turn that like button, sub, share, comment, do all that stuff. Soon, in like the 18th or 17th of April, I will be making videos. Better quality. Oh my god. But guys, yeah. Join the video, burn like button, sub, share, comment, and I'll do all that stuff. See you guys in the next video. See ya.